Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace a screw for your storage drawer on your stove. The reason why you'd have to do this is the screw is broken, damaged, or missing, and the front of the drawer is falling off. For this repair, all you'll need is a Phillips head screwdriver. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the stove we're going to be using in this demonstration. It's a GE. Now keep in mind, ours might be a little bit different than what you have at home, but the same technique should still apply. So this right here is our storage drawer. You can see that the panel is a bit uneven and it's pretty loose. So we're going to pull this out. And if you take a look over here, you'll actually see that we're missing one of the screws that holds this front panel on. So now you can grab your new OEM replacement screw. And if you don't have one already, you can find one on our online store. So now what we're going to do is we're going to line up our panel with the screw hole here, and we're going to use a Phillips head screwdriver and screw that in. And once that's in there nice and tight, you can check on your panel, make sure that's secure, close up your drawer, and your repair is complete. I'm reading a book about anti-gravity. It's impossible to put down. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, pcappliancerepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.